With AI advancing faster than ever, many wonder, will AI replace software developers? Let's break it down. AI is already assisting developers. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT help write and debug code, saving time and effort. But does that mean human developers are becoming obsolete? Not so fast. AI can generate code, but it lacks creativity, problem-solving, and deep understanding of project goals. It relies on existing data and can't innovate like humans. Plus, debugging and maintaining complex systems still require human expertise. Instead of replacing developers, AI is becoming a powerful assistant. It automates repetitive tasks, speeds up coding, and helps solve problems. But human oversight is essential. The best developers will be those who know how to use AI effectively. So, will AI replace software developers? No, but it will change how they work. Developers who adapt and learn to work with AI will be in high demand. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.